Ladies and gentlemen, there are new mods on Teardown. I know, it's pretty cool. We're gonna check them out today like we do usually. If you're new to this channel, you probably won't understand, but this is something we do on this channel. I have a full playlist of all of the Teardown videos, so you can watch it if you want. The old one's pretty shit though, I'll say. I've gotten a fair bit better at editing. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I would say my videos aren't bad. Anyways, oh no, that's campaign. Okay, we want mod browser. Holy shit, the menu's all different. It's all small. And this is all of the new stuff. So let's go with this, the Bunker Buster Missile Strike. Easy Cleaner. What's this? Funny sounds? Yeah, we'll turn funny sounds on. Functional cameras and futuristic cars. Ooh. Impact-based structural integrity test. Okay. Light controller, hacked cars, guided missile, god mode, Midas touch, precision flying. This is stuff that people have wanted so much. This is something that my friend Seth actually wanted. He said he wanted precision flying because the jetpack is just, it's very slow and it takes a bit of getting used to. So that's something that's very, that's awesome that that's there. Okay, we got basically everything we need. Let's go into a map. Which map should we go into? Let's try one of the new ones. Let's go with Vida Hospital. Okay, we're in. Flight. Oh, here we go. This is what we wanted. Oh, you can go through the map and stuff. Anyways, we are in. Let's look at some of the new mods. Functional camera. Let's see. Oh, cool! Now you can like look at your explosions and stuff without actually needing to. Here we go. Missile. Oh! How fucking big was that? Oh, it wasn't that big. It sounded massive. Midas touch. Ooh. Oh! Look at that! It's all shiny! That's actually really cool. Light controller. Manual mode, disco mode, reactive mode. Let's go disco mode. Yeah! Okay, that's enough of that. What about reactive mode? What did that do? Oh. Ooh. Oh, that'll be good for like cinematics and stuff. I gotta get out of this fucking building. It's a bit hard to scroll all the way down. What happened? What? Since when was this a thing? Is that because of the god mode? That's annoying. How do I turn that off? Is it this? Is it this? It is that. How do I turn it off? Alright, we want you, and we want you. Driving mode. What the hell have I just done? Am I just not doing it right? Or is it just because the god mode thing? Oh. Oh god, it's the look button in the... It's like Far Cry driving. Where are the cars? They're going, where... Oh. There he is. Calm down, buddy. I mean, it's just the spray paint. Like, this is just the spray paint stuff. See, it's like... But when you do the actual shot, it actually turned into like a different material. Oh, for fuck's sake. I don't think there's a range to it either. And piano. Look at it. What's Ibsit? What the hell is Ibsit? Dude, can the ragdoll respectfully fuck off? It's the most annoying shit. What have I done? Here we go. I'm just figuring out how to do stuff, but I'm finding myself lacking the abilities. Laser van. What the hell? Okay, that's what the point of this is. Oh no, go up. Can I move you? It's gonna laser the van in half. Oh no. Move that way. Oh no. Okay, well, that still works. What the fuck is that noise? Cooling tower. Oh my god. We can't spawn that. Can we spawn that? Can't spawn that. We can spawn that. Oh, it's fallen over. The fucking ragdoll. Stop it. I'm just gonna see if I can turn that off. The fucking ragdoll thing. I can't jump from a goddamn fucking bench to the ground without it breaking my ankles. Okay, yes, that was a bit of a goddamn weird analogy, but there you go. Okay, this is another one of the new maps. Alright, here we are. New map. Oh, I didn't think that'd come off so easily. You need to make your fucking, these, whatever, the petrol tanks, gas tanks if you're American, you need to make these stronger. I don't know what these things are called that they plug inside your car, but they come off like 1-2 uniflu. Why can you spawn this? I mean, it's nice that you can, but there's no point. Look at it. Didn't even last. Wait, what if I spawn a big one? Will it all like break and crumble and... No. Oh, shit. Okay, dude. Alright. Don't mind me. I'm just moving a fucking nuke down the street. Go! Survey all the damage. Very nice. Look at the fire. The fire looks different. It looks more orange. It looks nice. Alright, I'm sorry man, but this has gotta happen. Sorry, this has gotta happen. Oh, he's coughing and stuff. You're right. These aren't sound effects that I put in. This is just noises that he's making. I gotta get you medical assistance. I know how to add blood. You can just use this and then... Oh my god, he's bleeding. Alright. Come on, soldier. Oh, shit. Live! Don't worry, I'm gonna get you out of here, man. Get in there. Get in here. Get on the fucking bed. Everything is going to be just fine. You understand that I have to do this, don't you, pal? I'm sorry. The noise he made was kind of funny, I wouldn't lie. You okay? that's done with. Oh yeah, this house is it's gone. Inside the building. Pretty cool. What if I put a camera inside one of these and then send the missile into it? I think that's going in. Switch the camera. Okay, it didn't go in, but we got close. That's in. Yeah! That was pretty cool. Just turn a house into gold. And obviously, it's not a Nugboy teardown video unless we do a ram raid. So here we go. Now I can mention Glitch, because he's from New Zealand. They do ram raids there. Yeah, well, that's what he's told me. So, but that ram raid was kind of shit. I won't lie. Come on, that's not a Nugboy level ram raid. In every single, well, not every single one, but in most of the Nugboy teardown stuff, we do a ram raid. It's kind of a tradition. Oh yeah, that's the one we want. Start up your engines, baby. Let's go. Yeah. It was surprisingly weak. It broke through one window. Like, I think the car that we had before did more damage. Here we go. Oh yeah. If this doesn't ram raid properly, nothing will. Oh, we're in the air. Most realistic destruction game, my ass. You know, I'm just gonna take the supports off of this. Get out of here, little girl. We don't want you there. No! No, don't go into the water. Okay. The whole point of driving it out from under it was so it didn't get destroyed. Ready? Here we go! You didn't see my face, but the look of pure shock. I was not expecting it to just break that easily. I thought it would like fall onto itself and then I would have to break it some more, but it just broke and crumbled like a cookie. Okay, I think we've had enough fun on this map. We turned a house into gold, we ram raided a few shops, and we blew up some houses. Pretty successful holiday. Now, obviously, we haven't really destroyed enough. So I figured I would do this homeowner a nice favor, and I'm just gonna take off a whole floor for free. So, here we go. Watch it. Gorgeous. How about that shit? Yeah! Piano rain! Oh, yeah! There we go. I know this was a bit of a crap Nugboy teardown video. I know there wasn't actually a lot of stuff that I figured would be interesting for the video, more just gameplay wise, but not really fun to watch. So this is kind of all that we did today. But if you enjoyed this video and you maybe want to see me play more Teardown or other games, particularly games with friends, then just click my channel below. I've got a full Teardown playlist with every single Teardown video that I've made. I heavily suggest not watching the old ones though. With that, I'm Nugboy, and this has been Teardown. I don't fucking know, man. I never know how to end a video.